The Sweet Reward of Patience, a story of hope and perseverance. In a quiet village lived a hard-working farmer named Kareem. He decided to plant a mango tree in his small field. Every day, he watered the plant and protected it from animals. Months passed, but the plant remained small. Villagers laughed and told him to stop wasting time. But Kareem believed in patience. Years later, the tree grew tall and strong. It produced sweet mangoes, and people came from far away to buy them. Kareem smiled and said, "Patience is slow, but its reward is always sweet." Moral: great rewards come to those who remain patient and consistent.